What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a makeup haul. So I'm so excited. I love doing makeup hauls because you guys know I love to shop for makeup. So I did order from 3 different places. I ordered from Legacy Lashes, I ordered from MAC, and I also ordered from BeautyCreations for the first time ever. So I'm so excited to see what I got from them. And then also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe, and don't forget to hit that post notification button down below to get notified for every single video that I upload. So I am so excited to get into this video, and let's just get right into it. So first I'm going to go ahead and start off with Legacylashco. So they did have a PR going on Instagram, so I did sign up for it to see if I got a chance to be, or got an opportunity to join them for their PR, but I did end up making an order with them. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and I'm so excited to see what they sent, because they were really kind to actually like message me and have a conversation with me on Instagram. So let's go ahead and pop this open and see what we got. And it was so hard not to try to like literally not to sit here and try to open this stuff, because I was like, man, like, oh my god. Oh my god, this is so nice. So I ordered these lashes. These are in the style Untamed. They are so beautiful. Look at that, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and take them out of the package, because there's a lot of glare with the lights. And it even comes with a spoolie. This is so nice. And they come with the spoolie as well. And on the back of the box it says reusable, affordable, 3D mink, luxurious. So like, again, this is Untamed. So I'm so excited for this. And then it says, there's a little card in here, and it says, thank you so much for placing an order with us. We can't wait to see what you create. Enjoy this code, Lash Lover, for a 10% off your next purchase. Stay safe, Legacy V. So thank you so much, Legacy Lashes, for sending this. And then they also threw in 2 goodies. Oh my god. So they threw in the LA Colors bronzer, and this is the CFB 407 Golden. So I am so excited. Oh my god. I've never like heard of a lash company to throw extra goodies. So I'm so excited, and look at this bronzer. I've never used a bronzer from LA Colors, but oh my god, it's a perfect brown for my skin tone. I am so excited. So I'm definitely going to be using this, you guys. Oh my god. So thank you so much, Legacylashco. And then they also sent out, this is a eyeliner pencil, and this is by Luna, and it's in the color Asteroid. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. So this is what the packaging looks like. Luna by Luna. And oh my god, this is so nice for the waterline. Oh my god, I cannot wait to use this eyeliner. Look at the color. It's so bomb. So thank you so much for the extra goodies. Oh my god, you are amazing. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and move into BeautyCreations. I was like super anxious to open this package, and I'm like, oh my god, I want to open it, but I didn't open it because I wanted to save this for you guys and share this with you guys. So it's a big package. Oh my gosh, you guys, there's so much stuff. So this is a lot of stuff that I got from them. I also have the page with all the prices, so I will be saying the prices out loud as well for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and start out with the lashes. So they just like sent out these little postcards just showing colors for the foundation. So I did order 2 colors for foundation, so I hope I ordered the right color. So yeah, let's get to it. They actually look darker on the packaging than what they did online, so I'm kind of scared that I got the wrong shade. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in with the lashes. So the first lash is called Not Sponsored. So this is the packaging. It's so cute. So you just pull it out, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show these up close for you guys. So I'm so excited about these. And the back of it says, I got 99 problems, but lashes ain't one. This is so cute. So that's not sponsored. Then I also got Turn, which these are super cute. These are more of a natural look. I would consider these more of a natural, but they're still a little bit full, so you got that volume going on. So these are super cute. Then I got Spoiled, which I live for these kind of lashes. This is like Eva Everywhere. I love these kind of lashes. So these are super, super cute, you guys. Like, oh my god. And then I got Gag. So Gag is also another one of my styles. So you guys know that I like to rock these babies. So I'm so excited for these lashes, and these were all $4.99, I believe, and it actually doesn't have the actual price on them, but I know they were $4.99. So those are the lashes that I got. Alright, moving on to the next thing that I got from them. It's these brushes from BeautyCreations Luxe 5-piece brush set. So I believe these were like $14, somewhere around there. I'll post like the prices down below in this video. So they reminded me of Real Technique brushes, but I was like, you know what, I need to try these brushes. They look amazing. I'm going to go ahead and pop them open because I want to try them out. And before I touch any of this stuff, I did sanitize my hands, and I did sanitize them when I got them. You guys know that we have to be extra careful with everything going on with coronavirus. So first brush is this one right here, and this one is the multitask brush. So it's super, super soft. So I feel like you can use this either for a powder, for either blush, or even a contour, or even foundation. So I'm so excited to try that one. The next one is this one right here. And this one is the tapered foundation brush. But I honestly would probably use this for concealer because I could get really close under my eyes. The next one I got, this is, I would say, more of a highlight brush. This is, yep, an angled highlight brush. So that's perfect for a highlight. So I'm so excited for that. And then this one is a base shadow brush, which I'll probably use to contour my nose. You can honestly use your brushes for a lot of different things. They don't have to be for the specific reason that they say they are. And then it also came with a little purse or little brush holder. So I'm so excited for that. So that's what I got from BeautyCreations. So I'm going to go ahead and put that to the side. And then last but not least, I got the 5.5 Flawless Foundation Medium to Full Coverage, and I got the 6.0, so I wasn't sure which one I was, so I decided to grab both. Hopefully either one of those works for me, because, I mean, I could always use them on my clients, which is perfectly fine, but I really, really, really wanted to use one of these, so let's see. And they are super cute. Look at the packaging, you guys. So bomb. So this one's 5.5, and it's a little warm, but this is what it looks like on the back of my hand. So it's a little too warm for me. I wanted to try, let's see, because it's right here. I really wanted to go with 5.0, but I decided to go to 5.5. I'm pretty sure if I would have gone to 5.0, that would have been like the perfect match for me. But obviously I could still rock this as long as I wear some concealer with it. Let's try 6.0. Just when you look at these, I am going to mention this in the video, when you look at these online, the colors look way off than what they do on this actual page. Like, yeah, literally way off. They look way lighter, so that's why I was like, well, they all look light. I don't want to look white, so that's why I went with the 5.5. And let's see, 6. Yeah, so definitely I would probably be number 5. This is 6 right here. That would be for, honestly, for my summer shade. So it's fine because obviously y'all girl gets a tan really quick. So I'm probably going to be either or of these foundations. So I am so excited to try those. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to be 5.5, but I'm gonna have to probably, if this does not work for me, I'm gonna have to go for a 5. So that's all that I got from them. So I'm so excited, and they actually did ship super quick, even though, you know, we are in quarantine and everything. Everything came out so fast. So I'm super excited for all this stuff. And I cannot wait to try their eyelashes because their eyelashes are so bomb. Alright, so moving on to the last package that I got, and this is what I was waiting for before I did this video. I'm going to show you guys what I got from MAC. So it just comes like this. And look what I got. Oh my god, I am so excited. Okay, let's go and dig in here because I'm so excited. So I got this little setting spray, or a Prep and Prime Fix Plus. So it's like a little Fix Plus. You can go and like use it on the go, take it with you wherever you want. So I'm so excited for this collection. The first thing that I got was the MAC Selena. This is the Me Siento Muy Excited palette. And I've never owned a MAC palette in my life. I love MAC. It's pricey, but obviously I do spend my money on more pricey things at Sephora, but I've never like used any of their eyeshadows like that. So I've heard a lot of good things. So I was actually thinking the palette was going to be way bigger, but look how beautiful this palette looks, you guys. Oh my god. And I know I'm going to be using this on a lot of my clients because it has like the perfect nudes. So when you open it, it comes with this right here, and this is like super pretty. So it's so nice, you guys. It comes with this. I'm definitely gonna keep that. So this is the colors that it comes with. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch from the top to the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them on the back of my hand since we already have some foundation going on there. Alright, so this is how they swatch on the fingers. So brown, pink, that color, and then we have, so these are the next colors. This is the second row, so that's what they look like. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these on the back of my hand. So I can tell you these are pigmented, like they're literally stuck on the back of my hand, so I'm wiping them off with the tissue, but this is what they look like. I am living for those two shimmer colors, you guys. So pretty. Oh my god. I believe this palette was like $32 or something like that, 32, 34. I'll list them down below. I did pre-order mine, and I'm so happy I did, but I'm so excited, you guys. Oh my god, this palette is amazing. Literally amazing. So the next thing I am pulling out is this Selena. This is the lip pencil, and it's in the color Entre a mi mundo. You know, I should know more Spanish, but whatever. Alright, so this is going to be the lip color, or the only reason why I picked this lip color or lip pencil is because I have a lot of clients who love nudes. So that's going to be a perfect bomb nude for my clients. Bomb. And I'm really, really loving the one that I got. I got Chestnut last time that I ordered, and it's freaking amazing. I am loving it. Alright, moving on to the next thing that I got, and this was like the thing that I really wanted to get my hands on. So this is going to be the Extra Dimension Skin Finish highlighter, and this is called La Leyenda. I've never had a highlight from MAC either. So this is like my first literally highlight ever from MAC. So this one also comes with her small picture in here as well, which is super cute. And this is the highlight. So, oh my god, I don't even want to swatch this. It's so beautiful. So pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this right next to that lip liner. And look at the highlight. Can you guys see it? I think I like swatched it in the wrong area, but you can see it right there. I'm gonna try to put it on this hand so you guys can see, because this highlight is bomb. Alright, so that's what it looks like. So the next thing I got is the MAC lipstick Queen of Cumbia. So I'm not sure which shade this one is, but I am really, really loving the packaging. It's so beautiful. And this is the red. So for those who got her last collection, you guys know that she had 2 red shades on her collection. I believe there was 3 total of lipstick colors. So I did get all 3. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch this on this hand. And that's what the red looks like. So it's kind of like a nice red. The next thing that I got was Selena Vive, and this is another lipstick, but this one is the nude color. So this one I believe matches back to the lip liner that I got. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the back of my hand, and these are 2 different finishes. I can tell you that from just applying it on the back of my hand. This is more of a like a matte, and then this is more of a it has more of a shine to it. This is more creamier. And then the last thing that I got is the MAC. This is the Big Bertha, and this is called the Retro Matte Liquid lip color. So this is the one that I got, and I'm so excited for this color too. So I never tried one of these from MAC as well. There's a lot of things that I haven't tried from MAC just because I don't spend my money on MAC like that, because like I said, I do work at Sephora. I do get a discount there, so shopping at MAC is just more pricier for me, and I spend more money there, so I just shop at Sephora. But this is the color, and you guys, that color is amazing. So pretty. So that's all the things that I got, and I hope you guys like this haul. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on my next video. And then also don't forget to follow all my social medias, because I will be doing a giveaway soon. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.